So I'm here on my last full day at the tiny house, and I've got to admit I'm pretty freaked out. It's been really hard. And just the reality of living in a teeny tiny van for the next year of my life. It's really sinking in, and I'm really scared. I'm freaking out a little bit that I'm not going to be able to do it. I mean, I want to do it. And I think it's going to be a great adventure. It's just really scary, you know? I mean, it's like a third of a size of my tiny house. I already downsized. This is just crazy. But I know that the wisdom of life has taught me that this uncomfortable feeling it's just a process. It's a process of getting rid of the old and making room for the new, and it's necessary for growth. So if you're considering this van life for yourself, or any big change in your life, just don't freak out if you get scared or you feel like crying every 5 seconds, because it's normal, I think. I just wanted to get real for a minute and let you know that it's not all like, woohoo, we're gonna move into a van, yeah, we're so excited. I mean, we are excited, but I'm also completely terrified. But I think that's a good thing. I think that if you're not doing something that scares you, then you're not growing and you're not pushing yourself. So the fact that I'm freaking out, I think, is a good thing, and I'm excited, and I'm excited to see what lies ahead. We'll see. Today I'm working on tiles. I'm shopping around and trying to plan that out. So let's check out what I'm looking at. Let's come over here. Here we are, kind of looking at some Moroccan tiles here. Also some black and white, pretty much all in the Moroccan style. I'm kind of digging these stars. What do you think? And then there's kind of like more mystical. I don't know, guys. What do you think? Oh, also, I'm crazy, so I've decided to, I like mapped out what the van's gonna look like. Let's see, yeah. So like that's like the wall of the van, and I just like measured it out and mapped it out so I can kind of see how the tiles are gonna be laid out. 'Cause I'm cuckoo. I know. Ugh. Bag rolling in the storage unit. Oh, last thing to go in is the bag roller. Because I'm dying. Alright, well, I did it. All of it away, every last piece. I don't know how. I don't know how I did it. My back hurts so much. I'm never, ever, ever doing this again. Movers, proper movers, or I'm not moving ever again.
So because our timeline was so accelerated, we kind of found ourselves rushing a little bit here and there and making a few mistakes that ended up taking us longer. So we really want to make sure that we slowed things down, made sure we did it right, and
yeah, I mean, I think that was the best decision we made, actually, was to just slow the process down and realize that let's get done as much as we can and do a lot of the essentials as far as the woodwork and the countertops and that sort of thing. And
yeah,
so at least you guys could have, you could live in it if you wanted to.
Right. Yeah, we really tried to prioritize what we needed to get done here and think about some of the things that Marisa and I could do on our own. So, you know, obviously the big cuts, we don't know what kind of access we're going to have to tools and equipment, so we wanted to make sure we got all of the big pieces of wood cut on the table saws and things that we had access to here that we don't know whether we're going to be able to access there. So you know, I think priorities came into play. We decided to hold off on the plumbing system until later because that's not an essential, and hopefully we'll be able to get that done when we get back.
Adios.
So because we didn't quite get the van done, we had to find a place to rent while we're in Fredericton this summer. And it's not feeling quite summery on May 1st, but we just got to the new place, which is right here. And it's turnover day in Fredericton, which is a little college town. So a lot of students moving out and new tenants moving in. And we are one of those new tenants that are moving into a lovely college home. So my wife is now dumpster diving.
I found a lamp
In front of our new house because the previous tenants left a bunch of maybe goodies that are going to be picked up.
Good. Look, it's completely new. It's one of those dishwash brushes. Look. It's totally clean. They never used it. Obviously, they're boys. They never did dishes. Their mom probably gave it to them.
So anyway, we're seeing what we can find that's actually useful. The cleaners, you can see their car right there, inside, putting in a lot of time and effort on this place. So hopefully when we come back later today, after our program's finished, we'll have a decent spot to live. But it's a little scary right now.
I found a Costco bag.